Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mosiur English. Dear viewers, you are afraid of COVID-19? You are afraid of going to educational institutions? Or you are under the threat of war? Or you are in the natural disaster? You want to study English online? If so, here is Mosiur English, a YouTube channel for teaching English language and literature. In this channel, you will find a lot of English grammatical and literary items, and that is from the beginning to the higher level. That is to say, from alphabet to ... For example, a video about part of speech and its classification, another video about a noun and its classification with its example, still another video about a pronoun and its classification with its example, and in the same way. In case of literature, from Anglo-Saxon period to ... For example, a video about William Shakespeare, another video about his literary works, still another video about his specific work. For example, Macbeth, Othello, King Lear, etc. At last, you will find a homework in the community tab. For this reason, you have to subscribe the channel. Without subscribing, you cannot do anything in the community tab. So, if you are a guardian, you can let your children watch my videos. If you are a student, don't feel hesitated. Start watching from the video number 1. Someday, you are sure to learn many things. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.